Hi there and welcome to this X8R video demonstrating the installation of our EGR delete kit suitable for Vauxhall Vivaro, Renault Trafic and Nissan Primastar between 2001 to 2014. The original EGR systems on these vehicles regularly fail due to the build-up of carbon deposits in the EGR valve. This can cause excess smoke from the exhaust, reduced performance and fuel efficiency, as well as rough idling and decreased throttle response. You can fit our EGR delete kit to eliminate the risk of future carbon build-up, thus improving torque performance with smoother pickup and improved fuel consumption. Our blanking kit is made from billet CNC machined anodised aluminium. It also comes with bolts and with a replacement metal gasket. In this kit, you will receive one EGR blank, one metal gasket, and 3 replacement bolts. To install our kit, firstly insert a flathead screwdriver into the notch on the air bow and push down. Remove the air bow by hand. Use a flathead screwdriver to disconnect electronic connections. Undo the Jubilee clip holding on the air hose. Using a 10mm socket and ratchet, remove all of the nuts holding on the airbox. Remove the airbox by twisting it clockwise and pulling it towards you. Use the 10mm socket and ratchet, this time with an extension, to remove all 3 bolts on the EGR valve. Disconnect the electrical connector on the EGR actuator. Remove the actuator and EGR valve by pulling it from the intake manifold. If it is stuck, try rotating it left to right, which should loosen it. This is the old EGR valve. This example isn't too bad, but it can be filled with carbon buildup, which causes the faults. You should clean the area around where the EGR valve has sat before installing the EGR blank. Place the metal gasket over the intake manifold and insert the EGR blank. Please note, this is demonstrated on our workbench, but you do not need to remove the intake manifold. This can all be done in situ. Install the old actuator over the top of the blank and fit the new bolts. Tighten to 9 Nm. This is the installation complete. Today's video has been sponsored by LB Motors, who provided their Vauxhall Vivaro for demonstration. Please subscribe to their YouTube channel using the link on the screen. This product is now available to purchase on our website, eBay and Amazon stores using part number X8R0255. If you have any comments or questions, please do not hesitate to contact us on the telephone number or the email address on the screen.